How to use AI-powered meal planning apps. Tired of meal planning? Let Eat This Much, your AI-powered nutritionist, do the work. First, tell Eat This Much about yourself. Dietary restrictions, calorie goals, macronutrient targets. The more info you give, the better your plan will be. With your profile set, let the AI work its magic. Eat This Much creates a personalized meal plan, complete with breakfast, lunch, and dinner options. It even suggests snacks. Each meal shows calorie count, macros, which are protein, carbs, fats, and even ingredients. Stay on track with your goals effortlessly. Eat This Much automatically generates a grocery list based on your meal plan. No more guesswork at the supermarket. Eat This Much integrates with other apps for easy ordering or meal prep planning. Perfect for busy people, dieters, or anyone who wants healthy, delicious meal without the hassle.